Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, I have an open giveaway, so go ahead and enter that giveaway. And I will do another giveaway, which you know I've been saving up for giveaways. It will be another one at 3,000 and another one at 5,000. So go ahead and share it, hit the subscribe button, tell your friends, so that way we can get to another giveaway. I love giving back to you guys. You guys are so awesome for supporting me, and I appreciate each and every last one of you. Like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you want to be subscribed, and hit the notification so you're notified every time I upload a video. So this video is my Christmas gift. This is what I received for Christmas. Now, I've wanted this for months. My birthday passed and I was like, yeah, this is what I want. Didn't get it, but then Christmas came. I was like, hey, this is my list. It's the only thing that I really, really want. And I finally got it. Can you guys guess? Can you guess? Can you? Okay, I'm going to show you. We're going to unbox it together and you're going to get my first impressions. I have to record this because it's something that I've been sawing after forever. It is, yes, the Apple Watch. This is the 3rd series. And here is the box here. I took the plastic off because I didn't want to go through all that noise. But I want to open it with you guys. Okay, and then here's the bottom of the box. It just have all the information there. And yay! So I finally got my Apple Watch. It's including in this box, it's the Apple Watch, the bands, the magnetic charger cable, the USB power adapter, not included capabilities in your area. Apple Watch is not a medical device, which we all know that. Additional information is at apple.com, and you can go over all of that there. And then it requires an iPhone 5S or later version, which I have the 7S. I'll link that video below so you can see my opening of that one. I have the red one. And then internet access, accepting the software license terms. So yes, I have the 7S Plus, which I absolutely love. It's the red one. So yes, it is compatible. So just make sure all of those is, and here it is. So let's go ahead and open it. I went through everything that's in the box. So let's go see everything in this box. So when you open it, you see here, designed by Apple California there. So this is, okay, so this must be, oh, this is a band. So this is the band there. And here it is here. And then we have, let's go through everything. Oh, okay, then there's some information there about Apple Watch. Apple Watch information, Apple Watch, this is the guide and all of this. You can see, they got it really, really light, so you can see it there. Yes. Okay. And then this is adjust to fit. It shows you all the changes of it. Apple Watch on iPhone. How do you set it and everything. To click more, then you can go through support. And this is just all the information of setting it up. I will set it up as well, but this is all of that. And then we open it and it shows you welcome to Apple. And then this is more information on how to set it up. And then it shows you the faces, your heart sensor, digital crowning. Press to hold the Apple Watch on and off. I'm getting excited. Okay, so it's all that information. I'm going to need this. I'll probably go over this once I set it up. Swipe across the edge to swipe the Apple faces, so you can change the faces as well. I'm going to swipe up and down for face control center. Swipe down for watch face notification center. And then firmly press display to customize the watch face. So you can actually customize it as well. Send it with 2 bands, which is good. But I probably would end up ordering different colors because, you know, girl wears mostly black. And you guys, look at the watch. Ooh, baby, you see that? Yeah, just go ahead and, it's just so beautiful, right? Just go ahead and let you admire the watch for a minute. Yay, I'm so excited. It is gorgeous. Yes, you guys, I'm excited. So then this is the watch. It comes in this here. All right, let's put that aside. We're going to come back to it. Over what's in the box. So here in the box, this is the charger here. And it's just the charge in there, and then the plug into the wall. And then this is the adapter here, and then the plug, and then the cord there. So you plug this in to charge your phone, okay? Yeah, so it's here. And I'll go over how to do all of that. I have to read instructions. I think it's hooked up more to the back. So I have to get into that. So that's what comes with it. You saw the 2 bands, and then here is the watch here. So let me go ahead and pull it out and then show you guys how it's set up. Okay, so then they show you actually on here too, how you set up 1, 2, and 3. So it actually goes in, you put it through the hoop here, and then it slides through the hoop there. So then you click there. So it has everything on it. And then it has the Apple Watch. This is the Series 3. This was 38mm. And as you can see there, and I think this is where you charge it here as well. I mean, I know it has all the sensors in the back. So let's go ahead and try this on, right? And then just place it on. And as the paper said it, you just take it, you snap first, and then you put it through the hole. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So just here, and it fits my wrist. We snap it first. Snap first. So let's put it in the like second, yeah, right there. All right, and then just tuck it on in. So like that, and it fits. You stick it in the hole there and then tuck it in so that way. Perfectly fits on your wrist. You don't want it. I think this is perfect size. What you guys think? Yeah, I need to charge it and stuff. So I would do that. But you guys love it? I love it, you guys. I'm excited about it, and it's supposed to fit like that. Here it is. I'm going to charge it up and then get it ready for again. So my first impressions of it, love it. I love how it fits. I love the band. I love how it looks. I'm going to read up on it and go ahead and hook it up. But so far, so good. I would need to probably charge it up. Let me see if I thought it would be enough on here. So, oh yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and power it up so you guys can see. And I did there. So we powered it up. Not sure if it's everything, so you know that it works. So yay. You guys know how I love, love, love Apple products. iPhones galore, iPads, and everything else. All right, and then powered it up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up to my phone, and then we'll power it and do everything and do a review on how I use it after about a few months. Yeah, I will. I'll come back and do a review how I like it and what's on it and how I set up everything. But I think it fits perfectly. It's supposed to fit just to the T. You know, some of the watches, you don't want them really hanging off. You want it right on your wrist. So, love it. So there it is. I'm gonna go connect it to my phone and everything like that. I just wanted to give you guys my first impressions. First impressions of it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I know we can order more bands for it, so I would do that. You know, a girl would do black and maybe a few other colors. So. But far as the first impressions, and I got it for my Christmas present. I absolutely love it. I'm happy about it. And I can't wait to continue to use it. I can count my steps. It's one of the main reasons I wanted to get it, to count my steps and to be able to check my emails, and I don't have to go to my phone all the time. And yes, it's the Apple Series 3 38mm Gold Aluminum Pink Sand Sports Band. Love it. And this is the woman's watch. I know it's a 42. That's a big for a man's watch. And he got me the 38, which is amazing. I love it. So thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
From Texas, Puerto Rico, Milan to Mexico. ¿Y dónde está mi gente?